So, hello, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cool sky thing game. I don't know what it's called, but please, can you follow my account? It's right here. I'm circling it with my mouse. It's called DanLacoda23, and also follow Steve Pop. He's a good friend of mine, and let's get into the video. So we're creating the project. So first, you can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it cool project. Cool project. So basically, you can delete the scratch cat, but I'm gonna delete him. You can use them, and I'm gonna make a sprite. You can make him anyway. So I'm gonna zoom in, equal out, zoom in. Yeah, zoom in some more. Now grab this, make a nice shade of blue if you want to copy me. And if you want to, we can do this. Swap around. Boom. When it fades into purple. Boom. We just go from this pixel, press shift to make sure you get a perfect square and lock it into place to make the sprite better. This sprite's a bit big, so I'm going to shrink it, lock it back into place. Boom. I'm going to pull it to be here. So now I'm going to add a mouth. Shift to make a straight line. Here. You can make it anything you want, but I'm going to add a bit of this by using this tool right here. To add a smiley face and some eyes. We paint, we make this black, and then boom. Perfect sprite. So, what are you telling me? Remember to subscribe? Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Wait a minute. Everyone subscribe right now for more awesome content like this. I don't know why I made that noise. So first, you get a backdrop. We're not in the coding yet. So choose backdrop. You can draw a backdrop. You can use any backdrop you want. I'm gonna do a blue sky because it's relatively good. Put it onto the ground of your backdrop, and then when green flag clicked, then motion. Go to the position of that, and then also don't forget, I'm gonna be painting objects, not using anything. So circle. I'm gonna get a nice yellow for coins. Yellow. I'm gonna have a thin outline of 2, and then we're gonna add a money symbol. Don't worry if you have that, you can use any symbol you want, but I'm gonna use a dollar symbol if I can find it. If not, I'll use the pound or euro. Now set it to black, and boom. I like to use the marker because look how good that is. Cool. You can use any font you want. The sprite thing, you can just use any sprite and it'll still work, but it depends on the size of the sprite. If it's a really small sprite, like 2 by 2 or 1 by 1, it won't work. The game just will break. Make it like that, and now I'm gonna name it the the coin. Don't forget to name sprite 1 player. Okay, so now we're gonna do when green flag clicked, go to, no, that's for clones, forever, make sure you coin up by the way, control forever, create clone, I need to find it, create clone of myself, and then we get the weight 1 second block, change it to 0.5. The lower the number is, like if I put it to 0.5, it will add more clones. So the good speed is 0.5. So create clone of myself. When I start as a clone, go to looks, motion, go to random position, and so I'll just go random somewhere which we don't want. So we'll set Y to 180, which is the top row right here. Boom, see? You can see that. Oh, and don't forget to set this one goes to 100%. Set goes to 100%, and then here, duplicate set goes to 0. Boom, and then look at this. Boom, perfect coin. So got that, and then we have to do a forever. And then change Y by -4. No, yeah, change Y. So it goes down. Or you can do it by -8, 7, 6, any number. But the higher the number, the higher the number, the faster it is. I like 4. Then you go to controls, get the if, then, and you put it under. Then, no variables. Sensing, if touching color, then press this to get the exact color. Boom, you got that. If touching color brown, now you delete this clone so it doesn't lag out. But if touching that was a bit weird. So if touching color, quote me if I'm wrong, if there's an error, roast me in the comments, but I'll probably cut the bit out where there's an error and I'll show you how to fix it. So touching player, don't delete this clone, go to variables, make a variable, then you put it as money, coins collected, coins collected, and for all sprites. So coins collected, make sure you save it as well. You don't want to lose any progress. So change coins collected by 1. Wait, make sure set coins collected here to 0. Now we're gonna make the win screen. So like you win. So we're gonna make a new sprite, paint. Now you can make it anything. I'm gonna make a really simple text. So a black box with a red text. You win. Now make sure you center the black box and center the words, because boom, it looks neat. So, and now we're gonna code this. So, I'm gonna do so. Green flag clicked. Forever. If so we need coins collected out. So if equal to, if coins collected, no, not equal, is greater than 49, which is good. If coins collected greater than 49, or they are equal to, duplicate 50, then show. If else, hide. Make sure you hide this when it starts. And now we need the player's movement. So I'm gonna make a block for no reason, just to stop it from getting too long. So make block movement, and then run without screen refresh. Press OK. Now the fine movement's gonna be here. So forever broadcast movement. And then we need a forever loop in here. Pause the video if you want to catch up to this code. Make sure it's run without screen refresh, so it's fast as possible. So now we're gonna add a WASD or arrow keys, because it's more simple if arrow keys. So if, and then we just duplicate, and then boom. Nope, we don't need those. Oh yeah, so arrow keys only. So if that, so if sensing key right arrow or left, I'm gonna do left arrow, and then we put here, nope, duplicate, then we got right arrow, then go to motion, then here move 10 steps and change that to -5, so you move left, and then you change this one to +5. So now you should be able to move. Oh, got a bit of lag. I'm gonna delete every single clone and change that to 2 seconds, every 2 seconds. That's too fast, so -2.5, and this one's gonna be +2.5. This one's gonna be 9, -8. My system's a bit laggy, but it'll probably work. Oh my gosh, I did this so wrong, sorry. I'll try and fix this So I'm gonna just cut to the bit where it's fixed and then I'll show you. Okay, so I've fixed it. So now it's that I'll show you how to fix it. So the movement script is wrong. The movement block is actually meant to be run with screen refresh. So look, so double click, edit, and then you can change it to tick that off, and then it'll work. So now we're gonna tell you how to do it every single client. Well, okay. So now we're gonna broadcast a win. When I receive, so events, broadcast, win. So okay, it's broadcasting win. So coin, when I receive a win, forever stop all, and boom, you win. So look, so now if you press that, boom, 7, 13, 18. Game's a bit easy, but I'll show you how to fix it soon. So the hitbox is in the coin script, right? So if touching player, that. So we need it to say, so as soon as touching player, after that, change coins by 1, delete this coin. And then boom, let's see if it works. Boom, 1. It fixed. Now the game is entirely better. I'm gonna make a part 2 to this to make it even cooler, but this is the simple thing of it. Simple, dimple. Now you can save it, and I'll make a part 2 about it soon. Okay, bye, like and subscribe.